Oh, good morning. You guys got out again.
Cows are out.
What the heck? How did you guys do that?
I didn't even go through that door yet.
How did you do that? You guys are tricky. Hey, you look tricky. Ready to party. You can tell it's not leaking as much.
Last time I came back, there was a big.
Oh, you emptied it.
Eh?
You would have emptied this.
Not empty, but there was not a drop down.
Oh.
I guess
There's some.
There is some. Okay, yeah, I emptied some. But like I stood there for probably 2 minutes. It was good. I opened it, closed it.
Fine. Do you have the good scoop there? No, eh?
I have a good scoop in the oats here.
Oh, I guess I don't even need to feed this, right?
Nope.
It was spent. That makes life a little easier. Oh yeah, eh? Party animal. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Yeah. Oh shit, I can't eat it. Big melt. Big melt last couple days. These cows are going crazy too. Oh yeah. Don't you worry, Maya. I'm coming. Mrrr. Yeah. Oh, your eye is fucking gross. How did this get all the way over here? What the heck? Oh, your eye is nasty. Oh, sorry, Maya. Okay. Hey, Get out of there. Hi, Tilly. Hi, Matilda. How you doing, baby? Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Her eye looks pretty nasty.
Like filled again?
It's like emptying again.
Good.
Yeah. Looks gross. I'll need some rag.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll get some rays.
Yeah. Iodine and rags, eh, baby? That's all it takes. Oh, it's nasty, yeah. It's just gooing. Should have seen it yesterday. That looked like a rock. Like, ugh. Yeah, I can't feel amazing. Oh yeah. Just run out of veg to eat though there. That'll all have to be composted or thrown out. So it's all oranges mainly. Oranges and avocado, like shit we don't want to deal with. It's not eating the green pepper, no. There's a full box of green pepper. Oh, it's just rubs it, takes it off. I think she needs more, a little bit more hay in there, eh? Or straw. Not food, like bedding, yeah.
Go take the buckets back.
Okay, thank you. Better. That's good.
Get that fucking chunk off.
There you are. Get her? No?
Chunk of it.
Oh well.
Oh, there it is. There's another plus chunk.
Yum. Right on. Oh, mama. Yeah. Alrighty. You guys have a good day. You guys have a good day. See you later. See you later. See you later. Bye. Have a good day.